Hi friends, welcome back to another video by Sandeep Classes. I am Sandeep Gupta. This is my fourth video on Vlookup. I want that whenever I change my product name in this cell, all the data relevant to this product name get captured in this respective cell. For example, if I use Vlookup equals to Vlookup, this is my product name, press F4 to lock it, comma, this is my table layer from where I want to look this product, press F4 to lock it, comma, 2, product ID is in the second column, so I have written the column index number 2, comma 0 for exact match, bracket close, enter. Now if I drag this cell till the last cell, you can see I get this product name in each cell just because my column index number is not changing. You can see in each cell my column index number is same. In this video I will show you how can you change the column index number automatically in 4 different ways. First, let me to use data validation to create a product name list. Press Alt A VV, which is the shortcut key for data validation. Here from the drop down list, select list. In the source document, select this cell reference. This is my product name. I have selected here B5 to B19. Click OK. Now I have created a data validation drop down list. Simply copy this, Ctrl C and paste over here. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Now in my first example, I have given this column index number manually 2, 3, 4, 5 to denotes product ID. Product ID is in the second column in this table, so I have written 2 here. Old pricing is in the third column, so I have written 3 here. Now I will use cell reference in place of column index number equals to Vlookup. This is my lookup value, press F4 to lock it, comma, this is my table array from where I want to look this value, comma. Now column index number is the column from where you want your answer. Product ID is in the second column, so I will write 2 here. In place of writing manually, I will use cell reference. This is my cell reference, comma. Don't lock this, just because if you drag it, it will change, so don't lock it. 0 is for exact match, bracket close, enter. Now I got the product ID related to this product name. If you drag it to last cell, oh sorry, I haven't locked this. Let me to lock it first. The table array, Ctrl F4 to lock it. Press enter. Now drag it to last cell. Make it, click, as it is in date, make it journal. Now you got the respective data related to this product name in this respective field. If you change this product name, printer, your product ID as well as other cells get changed automatically. Now in the second example, I will use columns formula. Now let me show you what does column formula do. Columns, click this. It gives you numbers of column. As you can see, here is a small description, returns the number of column in an array or reference. Select this. Now array, I want 2 here just because product ID is in the second column, so I want 2 here. So my array should contain 2 cells so that it gives you 2 columns. Now I'm writing A1, lock the first cell, F4 to lock it, is to B1. Now from A1 to B1 you have 2 columns, so it will give you 2 here, enter. It has given 2. Now if you simply drag it to the last cell, it will give you the column index number which I have shown in my first example manually, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you click here, now you can see column from A1 to C1 we have 3 columns, so it has written 3. Now I will use Vlookup along with column index. Vlook. This is my product name. Press F4 to lock it. Comma. This is my table array from where I want to look. Press F4 to lock it. Comma. Now in place of column index number, that is the third input, I will use columns formula. Comma 0 for exact match. Enter. Now you can see it has written the product ID. If you simply drag it, it will give you the respective data related to this product name. If you change it, pen drive, it has changed all the data field related to this. Now in my third example, I will use match formula. Match function gives the position of a particular data. For example, if I ask you the position of product ID in this table, it is in the second position. Old pricing, it is in the third position. So match simply give you the position by looking this product ID equals to match lookup value product ID. This is my lookup value, comma lookup array. I want to look from here. I want to know the position of this product ID from this table. So this is my table array. I will look it from here. Select this till this. Okay. Press F4 to lock it. Comma 0 for exact match. Bracket close. Enter. It has returned 2. Simply it has looked this product ID and went to this range. I have given the range B4 to F4. It went to this range and it find out the position of this product ID and return to here. If you drag it, it will give you the position of each this headers. Old pricing, the position of old pricing is third, so it has written 3 here. Now you can see this 2, 3, 4, 5 is related to the column index. I can use this as my column index. Now I will use Vlookup. Click here, Vlookup. This is my lookup value. Press F4 to lock it. Comma. This is my table array from where I want to look up this value. Press F4 to lock it. Comma. Now in place of column index number, I will use match formula. Comma 0 for exact match. Enter. It has written XYZ. If you drag it, it will give you the respective data. Now change the data. Mouse. The product ID of mouse here from here XYZ5 and the price is 4493. It has written 4493 here. New pricing is 4556. You can see from here the new pricing is 4556. It has written all the price or data related to this particular product. Now if you want your data in a vertical way, then you can use row function. Let me explain you about row function. ROWS is it give you numbers of row by referring a array. Here you have to provide the cell reference here. I want 2 here. I want this number 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write such number which contain 2 cell. A1, F4 to lock it, is to A2. Now from A1 to A2 there is 2 cell, or you can say 2 row. So it will return me 2. Bracket close. Enter. It has returned 2. If you simply drag it, it will give you 2, 3, 4. You can simply click here. If you click here, from A1 to A4, as I have locked A1, so it is not changing, but I have not locked this cell, so it is changing A4. So from A1 to A4 there is 4 cell, so it has written 4 here. Now you can use Vlookup along with this function. Click here, Vlookup. Vlookup. Now my lookup value is this computer. Okay. Press F4 to lock it. Comma. This is my lookup array or table from where I want this computer. Comma. Now in place of column index number I will use this function, row function, comma 0 for exact match. Enter. You got the product ID. If simply dragged it, you will get, oh, I think I have done some mistake. Oh, lock this first, the table array. Press F4 to lock it. Now enter. Now simply dragged it. You get all the respective data related to this product. You can change it, keyboard. Now your product name, price, each and every cell get changed. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking on the subscriber link shown on the video. And you have still any doubt related to VLOOKUP, then I request you to watch my first video where I had covered the basic detail about VLOOKUP. Thank you and have a nice day.